Hey everybody, it's Samantha. I just wanted to share something that I was sent a few days ago. Stacey Wondra's recent attempts to still try to sue some YouTubers. You can see my name there, Samantha Brainer highlighted. Brooks, Devora, Joshua Diaz, Justin, John Mathis, Lauren Mathis, Kelly Miller, the plaintiff, Stacey James Wondra, and YouTube. Apparently, he can sue people without their last names. Um, I just found that this was really funny and just wanted to share because I already know that we all feel the same way. Stacey Wondra, if you want to sue us, go ahead, because you'll have to talk about Michael Monkey Vaughn's case, his abduction, and what you did. Okay, so let's go over this. Stacey Jane Wondra, plaintiff, YouTube, defendant, case numbers there, order of conditional filing. Greetings. You are receiving this order if you fit into one of the following categories of litigants. You requested informa pauperis indigent filing status. You are a prisoner or you are a pro se litigant and have not submitted an informa pauperis request or paid the filing fee. Now, therefore, it is hereby ordered that your request that your case be filed and issued a case number is conditionally granted. Please be advised that you cannot proceed with your case until the court issues an order making a final determination on your informa pauperis application. If you are a prisoner, you must also wait until the court has authorized you to proceed with your case in an initial review order, even if you have paid the filing fee. Please note that if you have not requested informa pauperis status, or if your informa pauperis application is missing any of the following documents, or your case may be dismissed. An affidavit that includes detailed statement of your monthly income, monthly bills, total debt, and total assets. If you are incarcerated, a certified copy of your trust fund account statement or institutional equivalent for the 6-month period prior to the date you submitted your complaint. If you need forms, please contact the prison legal resource center, call the clerk's office, or visit that website. Any further proceedings or paper filed in this case must bear the appropriate caption and the case number as set forth above. Please note that your case may be dismissed without further notice if you have a change of address and fail to send in a notice of change of address to the clerk's court, or fail to submit an informa pauperis request, or you fail to provide the supporting documents necessary for the court to consider your informa pauperis request. Okay, moving on. This is the envelope from his recent activity. You can see at the top left, Stacey James Wondra, Ada County Jail is where it was sent from. And then over on the right, sent or stamped January 13th of 2025, and getting sent to the federal courthouse. And here is the U.S. courts receiving the information on January 15th, 2025. To whom it may concern, I, Stacey James Wondra, the plaintiff for civil lawsuit, would respectfully ask the courts to waive any and all future filing costs and fees due to my inability to pay these obligations. I don't know what he's trying to say there, because you can't read his handwriting, but because of my own incarceration in Ada County Jail, Boise, Idaho, and not having sufficient funds in my account. Dated Thursday, 10th day of January of 2025, Stacey James Wondra, and his signature. And this is the reason I believe that he actually wrote the letter to the courts about the money and his situation and that he doesn't have the funds to pay. Because here it says, plaintiff, an inmate in the Ada County Jail, has filed an application to proceed in forma pauperis. However, plaintiff has failed to submit a certified copy of plaintiff's jail trust fund account statement or institutional equivalent for the 6-month period immediately preceding the file of the complaint, which is required by, with all the numbers. Therefore, plaintiff's application will be denied. Within 14 days after entry of this order, plaintiff must either submit to the court the required copy of the trust fund account statement or pay the $405 filing fee for this action. If plaintiff submits a timely trust fund account statement, the court will reevaluate plaintiff's eligibility for in forma pauperis status. If jail officials will not provide plaintiff with the required statement, plaintiff must so inform the court by declaration in the form required or by affidavit. I think it's funny that Stacey Wondra thinks that he can go up against YouTube. I mean, we're talking multi-billion-dollar company when Stacey Wondra doesn't have any money. I haven't been served, and I don't think that I ever will. If I have to go to court, then that's what I'll have to do. I haven't said anything that isn't true. So, anyway, I hope everybody has a lovely Valentine's Day. I have a hot date with my old man. And yeah, thank you guys for listening and watching, subscribing, becoming a member, and all of those great things. Thanks for being a part of Missing PNW's community. I appreciate you all. Have a good night.